Here are a few easy steps for decorating your home for summer.
Number 1, fabric. Fabrics are really important. Put away all those heavy fabrics. I know you put some away for spring, but it's hot. H-O-T, hot.
Bring out the cotton.
I mean, we are like at 72 here in California.
Dying.
You probably did when you were kids. Your parents or your mom would take away all those heavy blankets and they replace it with something light. Cotton.
Linen.
That includes your pillow. I mean, you've got to keep the faux fur. That's a year-round thing. Faux fur is in, always. However, linen, cotton,
light fabric.
Colors are important too. So step 2, colors you bring into your home.
You can take out all the heavy colors and you can bring in more neutrals and whites and off-whites and of course yellow if you're into that.
So some clients take their summer colors or colors in their home to a whole nother level with blue. Everything was blue. Everything.
Carpet,
the walls were blue, the carpet was blue, the Ethan Allen furniture was blue. Everything was blue.
We traded it out for a lot of whites and neutrals and they said it looked like a swingers club.
All we did was change out the blue and made it light, airy, and white, crisp, lighter blue, very pale shades.
Number 3, scents. How does your home smell? Don't answer that.
Does it smell like stews and pumpkin pie? That's the wrong scent for summer.
No, you want lemonade and citrus.
And champagne and bubbles and just happiness.
Iced teas.
So really think about, we don't know, but we're gonna go for it. So light scents are very important in your home for summer. And when selling your home, do we choose different scents when selling your house, like during an open house in the winter than we do for the summer? Of course we do. Do we use citrus scents? Of course we do. I think we've talked about using, not baking cookies so much. That'll work a little bit more in the fall, winter time, but you still need a little citrus in there. So maybe like a ginger snap or something. But for summer, we'd like to have lemonade, iced tea, and crisp scents. Another great tip for moving into summer is your outdoor furniture and outdoor life. We're here in Southern California. Our outdoor is our second living room, if not our second kitchen as well. So make sure your pillows are replenished outdoors. What else?
Make sure they're not dingy. Bring out some good candles.
I know this sounds really strange, but sometimes subliminal messaging in your pillows work. So if you're selling a family home and it's summer and you want to keep things light and fun, have the word family.
Or home.
Gather. I know it's in every TJ Maxx right now, but it's still
There's a reason.
It's still subliminal when selling your home. I wouldn't have it in my house every day, but family, gather, summer, fun, beach. It's a really big thing. Okay, another great thing to do for summer is think of concept versus theme. I know you want to bring out all your summer beach stuff, but I want you to think about the concept of it. Instead of going literal, which is the theme, go more abstract with the concept. So get a nice textured white throw like ocean water. And think of the hues of a beach, the light blues, the texture of the sand. So go with concept. Forget about the theme. You can do that in your kids' room. Remember these few things whenever you're changing your house out for summer. Keep it light, keep it airy, your colors, your scents, your theme versus concept. A few things like that and you'll be golden, you'll be ready.
Like and subscribe.
That's what you do. You like and subscribe. Ask us some questions. We don't know what else to talk about.